I hope that you're open-minded to watch and understand this video. So, yung mga bata dyan, hindi mo na kayo pwedeng manood nito. This is for married and those with partner na content. Question is, pwede nga bang makipagtalo ang isang babaeng buntis or bagong panganak sa kanyang asawa or kanyang partner? So, let's discuss ano yung mga natutunan ko sa aking OB. Obviously, natanong ko na din naman to. So, I'm sure this topic is something na hindi usually pinag-uusapan. Though I'm not a doctor, share this based on my experience and what I also learned from my OB-GYN. Pwede nga ba o bawal makipag-sex during pregnant? O doon muna tayo sa during pregnant. So, the answer is yes. Yes, pwedeng-pwede, pero may mga kailangan i-consider para mapasama ka dun sa pwede. You belong to this category. You should not consider having sex during ano nga ba yung mga situation na yun. So, first one is, if yung nagbubuntis or si mom is may problema sa cervix. So, may mga previous history na ng miscarriage or nakunan, no yun. So, better ask your OB-GYN before doing it. I know na during the first and second trimester, tumataas talaga yung libido. Yun yung sinasabi, reaction of our body na tumataas ang libido ng isang buntis. But you should always ask your OB-GYN about it. Okay, mahiya. Tanungin mo siya. If meron kayong risk on your cervix, meron kayong history ng miscarriage, you should not be engaged on active sex during the time, especially on the first trimester.